Right, I have big news coming in. Remember, Kannauj in Uttar Pradesh can actually become one highlight of a constituency. And there was a bit of a flip-flop that Samajwadi Party had also shown in this. Now, what happened? Akhilesh Yadav filed his nomination from Kannauj today. And you're looking at those visuals on your screen. But this after, SP had made an announcement of Akhilesh Yadav's nephew, Tej Pratap Singh Yadav, in place of Akhilesh, and that had taken party workers by surprise and possibly upset some of them as well. So ahead of filing his nomination, Akhilesh Yadav shared an old picture of the nomination filing. Samajwadi Party's former ally, RLD, has hit out at Akhilesh Yadav over this. RLD chief Jayant Chaudhary has said that there was only confusion in the Samajwadi Party. There is always uncertainty. Remember, amid all of this, Akhilesh Yadav's wife, Dimple Yadav, lost from Kannauj in the previous election, which was in 2019. So a lot of focus, responsibility now is on Akhilesh Yadav's shoulder in Kannauj. It has been known to be a Samajwadi Party bastion, but is that enough against BJP's Subrat Pathak this Lok Sabha elections?
यहाँ के लोगों की मदद, यहाँ के कारोबार, यहाँ के लोगों की खुशहाली के लिए और जो विकास रुक गया है, जो विकास थम गया है, जिस विकास को जानबूझ करके बीजेपी के लोगों ने इसलिए रोका क्योंकि समाजवादियों ने वो काम शुरू किए थे। बीजेपी के लोगों ने नकारात्मक राजनीति की, उनकी भाषा, उनका व्यवहार, उनका काम करने का तरीका, यहाँ की जनता एक बार फिर प्यार, मोहब्बत, मिलीजुली संस्कृति, आपस में भाईचारा, उसका दौर शुरू करेगा।
अखिलेश यादव तेज प्रताप को चुनावी मैदान में उतार रहे हैं।
उनके यहाँ कंफ्यूजन है, कौन उतरेगा और कौन लड़ेगा और किसका नामांकन होगा, किसको सिंबल मिलेगा, किसी को मालूम ही नहीं, उन्हें खुद नहीं मालूम। अभी फिर चर्चा चल रही है कि खुद लड़ेंगे।
उन्होंने ही तो इस देश का ये स्थिति किया। पाकिस्तान एक बड़ा हिस्सा हमारे देश का एक टुकड़ा हमसे अलग कर दिया। वहां हमारे 27% जो हमारी आबादी थी आज खत्म हो गई। आज कोई वहां नाम लेने वाला नहीं है, मंदिर जाने वाला कोई पाकिस्तान में बचा नहीं है, कोई जाता भी नहीं है। 14-15 साल की लड़की उठा लिया जाता है, जबरदस्ती 70 साल के बुढ़े के साथ निकाह करा दिया जाता है। ये हो रहा है वहां पाकिस्तान में, यही इनकी हिंदुस्तान में करने की तैयारी है। और तभी अखिलेश जैसे नेता इन आतंकियों को, इन माफियाओं को संरक्षित करते हैं और इनको पोषित करते हैं।
She used to tie Rakhi to Mulayam Singh ji, and then Akhilesh used to call her Bua. अब it has stretched and become so difficult.
वो बदतमीजी जो उन्होंने करी है, commitments पे ऑन अप नहीं किया है, वो I think has led to the relationship being so difficult now.
Has she shut the door on him?
Political spheres में there is never a closed door.
India Today's Samarth Srivastav is in Kannauj tracking the nomination of Akhilesh Yadav as well. Samarth, over to you, sharing an old picture as well. But of course, it will be a big day. It is a big test after all. Akhilesh Yadav, Subrat Pathak on one side. Of course, Akhilesh Yadav is a big face. What is the situation in Kannauj looking like? What has happened through the day? Take us through.
Well, it's one thing is very clear. This has become a proper VIP seat now after the nomination of Akhilesh Yadav SP National President, because earlier it was the name of Tej Pratap Yadav, which was in the air that Tej Pratap Yadav is going to contest the nephew of Akhilesh Yadav. But after the local unit of Kannauj convinced Akhilesh Yadav and stressed on the point that if you won't fight from here, it will be a massive task for us to win Kannauj against BJP Subrat Pathak, because in 2019, though it's called the Samajwadi Party bastion, but in 2019, Subrat Pathak, the BJP MP, defeated Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav's wife Dimple Yadav with thousands of votes. So it was very clear that this time it's a big challenge for Samajwadi Party as well to win Kannauj, because it's a perfume capital. Though Akhilesh Yadav says that during his tenure he worked a lot for Kannauj, be it the Kisan Bazaar or Itr Park, many other things. But while on the other hand, Subrat Pathak claims that all these works were done during the tenure when he was the chief minister of UP, because what he has done as an MP of Kannauj is questionable. That's what the point of Subrat Pathak is. While the Samajwadi Party leaders clearly say that Subrat Pathak hasn't done anything for Kannauj for the past 5 years. So this has been the thing, while Subrat Pathak also claims that this election, be it in Kannauj, it is being fought in the face of Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi. It has nothing to do with Subrat Pathak or Akhilesh Yadav or Tej Pratap Yadav. It's all about Narendra Modi in Kannauj. These are the claims of the BJP.
Okay.
But currently, if you see that Akhilesh Yadav is showing his strength in Kannauj, with a lot of vehicles going around the Samajwadi Party office, and we are also following those particular vehicles because now, after filing nomination, Akhilesh is now reaching to the Samajwadi Party office where he will interact with the party leaders, senior leaders, and will also take part in the public address where he'll also, in a way, speak to the party cadre, not just from Kannauj, because leaders like S.T. Hassan, Ram Govind Chaudhary, Naresh Uttam Patel, Juhi Singh, Ram Gopal Yadav, all from all over UP have come here to attend this mega function.
Samarth, but also tell us, now Akhilesh Yadav may be a big face from the Samajwadi Party, but it is also, but you know, Subrat Pathak is also a member of parliament and from Kannauj, so he's also a big face. He had beaten Dimple Yadav previously, so it could actually get a very strong reference as well that's coming in for a test. Stay on with me, Samarth.